Hello and welcome or welcome back. It's time again for another 5-minute ab exercise. So we have 5 exercises. We're doing each for a minute. No rest in this. It's gonna be a good time. Remember to subscribe to my channel and let's begin. First off, we have 6 inches. Lie on your back and raise your feet just about 6 inches off of the ground. You're just gonna hold it there. This is a static position. Make sure that your lower back stays on the ground the entire time. Should be making contact with the floor. We're halfway through this one, 30 more seconds. Second, we're doing hip dips. So get in a plank position on your elbows, lower your hips and touch down one side to the floor. Come back to a plank position, make sure your hips are down, a nice straight line, and then down to the other side. Make sure that you keep them lowered in a nice straight plank. Dip down to one side and back up, check your alignment. Hips are tucked, abs are tight, rib cage is tucked in. Just a few more seconds here. Next we have rowers. Extend your legs while you bring your arms in close to your body. And then when you bend your legs, extend your arms out in front of you. Do your best to keep a nice flat back for this. It's really easy to hunch forward, but try to straighten it out. Our second to last exercise is butterfly crunches. So lying on your back, you want to keep your feet together, knees bent, and just let them fall to the ground on either side. So your legs are in a diamond shape. Hands behind your head and crunch up as high as you can. Good job, you're about halfway through. Remember to really crunch those abs as much as possible. Our last exercise is a plank walk, so you're going to be on your hands in a push-up position. We're moving laterally across the mat or whatever space you have available, and you're moving your one arm and opposite leg at the same time. So right hand and left leg, and then left hand and right leg. They lift off the floor together as you walk across the mat. Keep your shoulders and hips square to the ground. Just a few more seconds of this, we're almost finished. And done. A nice quick, easy 5-minute ab routine. Good job. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next workout.